Welcome back, guys. Sham and Cast TV here. My name is Sham. And today we have an unboxing video for you. Last time we got you an iPhone XR unboxing video. This time we got a HP laptop. So here it is. And yeah, let's open it and show you guys what's inside.
Yeah, by the way, guys, yeah, sorry for uploading late. Yeah, we've had like loads of assignments and stuff in college, and we've got an exam on Monday. We've been revising for that, so now we've got time. You know, just got a laptop, and we just literally finished from the gym as well. So he's come to my house, and we just, before we make your video, you know, don't want to prolong the wait, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
And upload late for use. You know, we keep to our word, stick to our word.
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's just start with the unboxing then. Let's go.
Yeah, sorry about, you know, as you said, sorry about uploading late, but it's just that it's hard to manage time. Like, he's got obviously his own things to do, I've got my own things to do, and you know, it's kind of hard. But yeah, so let's open the box and let's show you guys.
Alright guys, now we just open the box and stuff. It's time to, you know, get the laptop out and everything out. So there we go. So that's the laptop, guys. This is the HP Pavilion laptop, silver, and yeah, it comes with, well, I paid for this separate. We paid for separate, so McAfee, you know, antivirus thing, and yeah, we've got Office for it as well. And I think I'm sure it's like already installed. We bought that as well. But now, like after we open it, we'll go through the specs with you guys. So see you in the next one. Sorry guys, forgot to mention, you know, once we've taken the laptop out, it comes with the following accessories. So here's the box, here's the charger, here's the cable, charge cable, and also guys, we bought this from Curry's PC World. They've got an offer on now. Obviously I'll put the link down below if you would like to buy this. We've got this for $499 and it's dropped from $649. So make sure to check it out, and yeah, we just put it in our bio below. Alright guys, now that the laptop is out and we've just took it out of his box, now we will go to the specification and the main specs with you guys.
Alright guys, so this laptop has a Intel i5 processor with 8GB of RAM, and they also have 512GB of SSD. It has a 14-inch IPS LCD screen with a full HD resolution. It also has a built-in wide vision HD webcam with a trackpad that has gesture control.
Alright guys, just a word of advice, like with this laptop. We bought this from Curry's, $499, and it's dropped from $649 as specified at the start of the video. And you know, like, just a word of advice. Other high spec kind of laptops such as the HP Envy, like they're like £800-900, and some go over like stupid prices like over £1,000. But this one over here, you know, is the laptop you should get for everything, and it's ideal for like university work, college work, because of the 8GB RAM and the 512GB memory. So if you're looking to be cost effective and pay a reasonable price, get this laptop. And the higher price like laptops such as the HP Envy they basically don't have the same specs as this. This has the better specs and for the price of everything. So yeah, now next part we will open a laptop for you and give you a better overview. So see you in the next one. Alright guys, so now that, you know, we've just gone over the like advice and stuff, now we're just about to open the laptop for you guys to give you a better overview. It's going to be, you know, opening the laptop. Really nice. You know, it's finished in nice premium silver, and it looks really nice. Like this caught my eye, like in Curry, so we just buy these. You know, looks very nice.
There you go, guys.
There you go, and open the laptop. Give them a better overview.
There you go, guys.
That's basically like the cloth thing. But other than that, you know, looks really nice. You know, there you go. Here's the laptop. You might see us, everything. But that's the laptop. Here's the nice kind of like silver, you know, nice premium finishing, and it's got all the keyboard. And by the way guys, this is like the
speakers.
This is the speakers, and it's from this kind of like really good like premium brand, and it's like really good.
And also guys, just forgot to tell you, on this side we have an SD port. You can obviously put your SD card in it, and whatever data you have saved on, you can just work with that. We have two USB ports and a 3.5mm head jack for your headphones if you want to use them. And on the other side, sorry guys, there you go. We have a Ethernet input and a HDMI, and also we have a Type-C USB port. And on that side, obviously, we have the port for our charger.
Alright, now that we've gone through everything, the exterior of the computer, you know, the specification and other information, now it's time to turn the computer on. So press that, and you can see that light lighting up. And I'll show it's on, obviously, and just running. There we go. I'm sorry for if there's like any mess around, like the packaging, etc. That's what you'll get obviously when you open a laptop or anything else. So just take a moment.
Alright guys, we're back. Just created the account, and let's move on. Let's see what the next step is.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
So next, let's do next for now. Anyway, sorry for not talking too much, but I don't
Your
want to talk over
PC
her.
comes with a free 1-month trial of Office 365. Should we get it ready for you to use?
No.
You already got it.
And guys, just to let you know, we already got the Microsoft Office package, and along
Hey
with the...
look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
As I was saying, we got the Microsoft Office package and the antivirus McAfee system lifetime, so we don't need that. Anyways, moving on.
It's done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
There we go, everything's been set up.
There you go guys. It says welcome to HP.
There we go. Done.
Just close all the pages, don't need that, we'll do that later.
There we
There you go guys. Laptop is finally on. And
surprisingly it has 70%. While it's still in the box.
alright guys, there you go.
There you go. And
We put it on charge, because make sure you always put it in charge. For the first time you get it, always put things in charge until they fully get charged.
and there you go.
Alright guys, we're back. As I was saying earlier, I was mentioning earlier, this is these are the specifications on this computer. It's got an Intel i5 and 8GB of RAM, and yeah, it's quite good. This is basically, guys, the minimum amount required, I'd say, these days if you want to do like any work on your computer for like coursework or college or assignment, or even not just for school, anything like it can be just for like your personal work. It's really good, because like this is more than enough to be able to run like basic applications and stuff like that. So I wouldn't recommend buying anything that's more than this, because this is, I think, the right amount.
Alright guys, so this is the camera quality for the laptop. Isn't really kind of the best kind of, but I'm sure that's what you'll have to expect right with every laptop.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
That's it. I mean, you can't really see much from the phone, because you obviously can't really, the phone camera can't really give an impression of what it looks like in real life. But I thought we'd just give you a little sneak peek kind of thing of the camera on this laptop.
Last but not least, we forgot to mention, or I think we've not specified it at the start of the video, we've got the antivirus system, premium, plus 1 year subscription, and we've got the Microsoft Office lifetime, and altogether these have costed both £130, and with the laptop the overall cost is £630. But yeah, I need the Office because like to do assignments and stuff, and this is 100% like needed, crucial, because like it's the utility program which constantly like protects your computer from viruses and any threats. So yeah, I really advise if you buy like a laptop, 100%, you know, you should like go for, you know, buy this kind of virus system package. Alright, so we hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it and liked it, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and give us a subscription. And
yeah guys, also just to let you know, we made this video just to inform you guys about the laptop, you know, just to show you what specs this laptop has and stuff like that. We are not sponsored by any of these companies, whether that's HP, whether that's McAfee or Microsoft. We've done this for purely just to let you know, just to inform you guys about the specs on this PC if anyone wants to buy it, is interested into this. And with that being said, hope you liked the video. If you did, as you said, make sure you drop a like, and we'll catch you in the next one.
peace.
Peace.